Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a topic psychology of healthy eating. People think of food in terms of vice and virtue. So when we add something healthy to an unhealthy food, we think it makes the entire meal healthier, said by Alexander Charnew. Healthy eatings. If your eating habits are negatively affecting your health, then we need to work on better habits and way to make them easier to implement daily. Poor nutrition and lack of physical activities do not only impact your body physically, in many cases it can cause you to be sluggish mentally as well. Whether we like it or not, what we eat matters. At its essence, food is simply the fuel that keeps our bodies going. The body uses carbohydrates, fats, proteins to keep itself functioning. From our brains to heart and the organs in our bodies can not work properly without food. So unhealthy eatings, skipping meals, binge eating, eating only sweets, overeating when angry or hurt, eating too much, eating too little. Result of unhealthy eatings: obesity, type 2 diabetes, anorexia, bulimia, anemia, social isolation, low self-esteem, self-hatred. Food diary. Food diary is a logbook. Maintain it of what food you eat and when you eat and drink each day. Diary helps you or your doctor to understand your eating habits. Food tracking creates awareness. Keeping a food diary makes you more accountable. Diary helps to learn how many calories you should eat per day. It helps you to get a better understanding of what you eat and why you eat. Food diary shows your progress. You can make necessary changes of successful weight management. So maintain a food diary with date and daily basis, that is from Monday to Saturday, that breakfast, lunch, dinner and in between snacks. You must maintain a food diary and includes different kind of seasonal fruits, juice, salad, vegetables and grain on daily basis for healthy eating. Tips for healthy eatings. Do keep track of your eating habits. Check food diary. Do drink plenty of water. Do delay eatings yourself till you feel hungry. Don't skip meals. Make a habit of eating regularly. Do plan meals and snacks ahead of time. Do eat everything sitting down or kitchen table, but eat slowly and enjoy bites. Do limit night eatings. Do be attentive when you eat. Don't eat while watching TV, working, driving, or standing. Do exercise instead of eating when you are on board. Do eat only when it's time to eat, not when you feel like eating. Do allow yourself to eat reasonable portion and range of foods without forbidding yourself a particular food. Do gives yourself encouragement. Do look for support persons to help you stay motivated and accountable. Do be gentle with yourself. Try not to beat yourself up when you are lapse. Do think of eating healthfully as a lifestyle changes. Do use of scales mindfully. Weight yourself no more than once a week. Do make healthy foods choices or eat what you enjoy. Healthy eatings: eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Health is wealth is a very old saying which means health is everything and its significance is more than money. If our health is okay, then we can face any bad situation in our life. Health Healthy eatings. Eat fresh fruits at least 3 times in a day, like apples, banana, watermelon, grapes, orange, papaya, mangoes, guava, mosmi, etc. Fruits are an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, and they are high in fiber. Fruits also provides a wide range of health boosting antioxidants. Eating in diets high in fruits can reduce a person's risk of developing heart diseases, cancer, inflammations, and diabetes. They are low in calories and low fats, low sodiums, and low cholesterol. Healthy eatings. Eat vegetables at least 3 times in a day, like beetroots, broccoli, tomato, cucumber, onion, carrot, etc. Vegetables are naturally low in fat and calories. Vegetables are important source of nutrients including potassiums, dietary fibers, folates, vitamin A and vitamin C. Rich diets in potassiums may help you to maintain healthy blood pressure. Healthy eatings. Drink fresh fruits, fresh juice 3 times in a day, like grapes, orange juice, papaya, cucumber, strawberry, mossami, pineapple, pomegranate, mango, watermelon, apple, kiwi, and beetroots. Fruit juice contains most of the vitamins, minerals, and plant chemicals. Juices, extracts from the fresh fruit and vegetables are more healthier. Grains. Grains are a good source of nutrients called carbohydrates. Grains are good source of fiber, vitamin B, and minerals. Rice, corn, and wheat are the most common staple foods. Grain diets reduces risk of chronic diseases. But for healthy diets, you have to reduce daily intake of salts and sodium to avoid hypertension, diabetes, or chronic kidney diseases. Do restrict or eliminate junk foods. Do restrict or eliminate sodas and other sugar added drinks that are high in calories and contain few or no nutrients. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video. Hope you have enjoyed YouTube series. Bye bye. Like, share and subscribe.